The first step is to support the drive shaft so it doesn't hang too low when the carriers are removed. Begin by cutting the bottom of one of the two driveshaft carrier frames. Once you're through the 2 layers of metal, unbolt it from the body, flip it around, and screw it back in to access the top of the carrier. Make another cut. Now remove the 2 bolts from the body and pull the frame off of the bearing. Using a razor blade, make a cut underneath the metal inner frame, all the way around to separate it from the rest of the bearing. Then cut the remaining loose rubber hanging off the front of the bearing, as well as the slightly raised portion that's still remaining until it's flush with the rest of the bearing surface. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Repeat these steps for the second carrier. Cut the bottom, flip it around, cut the top, cut the frame away from the bearing, remove the excess rubber while keeping the base layer of rubber intact. Now we can install the new carriers. Take the top half with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the 2 together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the 2 bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take your bolt, put a fender washer on it, a metal sleeve, an isolation damper facing up, go up into the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, another washer, and then the smaller spacer on top. That's part number TYT02A1. Thread it into the body. Then do the same on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, sleeve, isolation damper, up through the carrier, another isolation damper, another washer, and the spacer on top. Tighten both bolts to the car. Repeat these steps for the rear carrier. Top half first, then the bottom, tighten together with the Allen bolts. Assemble the mounting hardware with the fender washer, sleeve, damper, into the carrier, another damper, another washer, and the larger spacer for both sides. That one is part number TYT02A4. Tighten this one to the body, and your installation is complete.